Let's make photo manipulation. Bring girl image in PNG and convert it to smart object. Bring an image of clouds and adjust it. Apply level on clouds image and dot brush on mask layer. Now apply level on girl image and adjust its values. Now apply color balance on girl image and adjust its values. Now on mask of level, start dot brushing with black color. Take new layer and start brushing with black color and put blend mode to multiply. Take new layer again and put whole gray color and put blend mode to overlay. Now start brushing with white color. Make a group of all layers. Bring image of Stargate in PNG and adjust it. Apply mask on Stargate and start brushing. Adjust the image of clouds again. Take new layer and start brushing with blue color. Apply level on Stargate and adjust it. Make a group of Stargate layers. Now make a circle with white stroke. Apply outer glow on circle. Now apply mask on circle and dot remove some parts of it. Take new layer and start brushing with blue color. Put blend mode to overlay with low opacity. Make a group of circle layers. Apply level and adjust its values. Bring image of stars and adjust it. Put blend mode to screen and apply dot mask on it and remove some parts. Thank you for watching.